Assalamualaikum and good evening. We are from LAX 2019, group 78. Ourselves. Okay, I will go first. My name is Saiful Mukmin. My matrix number is 200442. And I'm from Bachelor Science Plantation Management. Next, I will pass it to Ifan to introduce. Okay, Ifan.
Thank you, Mumin. My name is Muhammad Irfan Babarosidi. My matric number is 200496. And I'm same course as Mumin from Bachelor Science of Plantation Management. How about you, Atira Natasha?
Okay, my name is Atira Natasha binti Suzaimi and my matric number 198374 and I'm taking Bachelor in Accounting. What about you, Shami Shaukina?
Hello everyone. So my name is Shami Shaukina Balkis binti Nur Shahidan and my matric number is 199124 and I am also taking Bachelor of Accounting. How about you, Shuhada?
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Nurul Shuhada binti Zayadi. My matric number is 196308 and I'm also taking Bachelor of Accounting. How about you, Sabri?
Thank you, Shuhada. My name is Sabri bin Muhammad and my matric number is 200899. I am from Bachelor of Science Plantation Management from Faculty of Agriculture. What about you, Shahidatul Amira?
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Syahirata Amira binti Saifuddin. My matric number is 206241 from Bachelor Komunikasi. How about you, Syam, right?
Syamsiba.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Syamsibar. My matric number is 202708. I'm also from Bachelor of Science Plantation Management. So next, what about you, Nur Shahira?
Hi guys, my name is Nashaira Nafisa. My matric number is 198862 and I'm taking Bachelor of Accounting. How about you, Ilya?
Hi, my name is Nur Ila Rusmaisara binti Rustu. My matric number is 199137 and I'm also taking Bachelor of Accounting.
Okay, is there anyone else that haven't introduced themselves? Okay, I think that's all. That's all 10. Okay, next we will proceed with our next agenda about our DIY project. If I've not mistaken, our today projects will be shoes whitening. So I will let the pair which introduce the shoes whitening to start their presentation.
Okay, hi and good evening guys. We are the second pair to present our DIY project, which is shoes whitening. So my name is Nur Syairah Nafisa and my partner name is Ilya Rosmaisara. Okay, first of all, we actually have a trial and error to find the best material to help in whitening the shoes, and we have come into two different ways with different materials to make our shoes white. Okay, for the first for the first method, I will pass it to Ilya.
Okay, thanks, Nafisa. So next. Okay, so actually we have two different ways to whitening the shoes, which is we use different materials. Okay, so for me, I am using the vinegar and also the baking soda. So the materials needed is shoes with white midsole, the vinegar and also the baking soda, I have already mixed them in bowl, and we also need spoon, and lastly we need toothbrush. Okay, next. Okay, so here are the steps. The first step is we need to take a spoon of vinegar and also the half spoon of baking soda, and we mix them well together in this bowl. Can you see it? Okay, so next, we will use the toothbrush, and also we will take the small amount of this mixture, and we will brush it into our shoes like this. We must make the circle. We must make the circle movement like we brush our teeth. So we need to do like this, and then we need a rag to dry the part that we already brushed. So as you guys can see, this is the end of the result actually, because it's already become whitening, and there's a little bit part here where it's become dirty. So when we brush over here, it will become white. Okay. So next. Okay, so this is the results that I have tried on my own. So the left side is the before, where you can see that there are some dirty at the back of the shoes, and also the after the result is become more whitening. So same goes to the front part, where as you can see, there's a little bit of dirty over there at the top of the midsole, and then the after this it become more whitening, but there's still dirty over there. Yeah, so we need to brush like only a few minutes, or it's not that long, just like this brush for a few seconds, and you can see the result as soon as possible. So yeah, that's from me. Next, Nafisa will tell about her methods.
Okay, this is the second method using, of course, we need shoes, and then cotton bud, Clorox, and any unuseful clothes, because I advise us to use any clothes that is not useful anymore, since we're going to wrap it with Clorox. Okay, next. Okay, first of all, we dip a small amount of bleach with using the cotton bud, and then we rub it like this onto the yellowish part. Okay, can you see? We need to put it layer by layer, because if we put it only one layer, there's no way it could work. Okay, then after putting the Clorox, we use the rag to wipe it moderately, like don't wipe it too harsh, like slowly and moderately. Okay. Next, okay, this is the result. So the before, as you can see, the right shoes is more yellow compared to the left side, to the right, to the left shoes. Okay, and after you can see, the color becomes same. Both of the shoe has the same the same color for the sole, and this is the front part. You can see that the dirt on the lower part of the sole has gone, and the yellowish part at the top. Okay, as I said, we need to do it. This step need to be repeated a few times, because in order to get a best result, we need to do it repetitively, and also use multi-layer when you use the Clorox to put it on the sole. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
Okay, I will open Q&A session. If there anybody have any question to the presentator.
I want something. step 1 can use add fabric or not? Step 1.
Oh, for the vinegar and also the baking soda. Amira?
Yes.
Yes, you can use the clothes like I have shown you. You can use the clothes that you doesn't use anymore to wipe the vinegar and also the baking soda. Yeah. So any other question?
I would like to ask Nafisa because about the step number 2, right? I think using a cotton bud, it's too small and it's quite take time for us to do the the layer, right? So is it possible for us to use a sponge rather than a cotton bud?
I think my suggestion, yes, we can use sponge, but actually, if you really try using cotton bud, this small thing actually can cover the part that you want because we do it repetitively. But if you still choose to use a sponge to have a faster process, you can use sponge too.
All right, thank you.
I have a question for the both technique. So is it applicable on any type of shoes? Like for example, leather shoes or maybe even sneakers and other type of shoes. Is it applicable to all kinds or is it only uh, applicable to some of it?
You mean white leather shoes, like the school shoes one?
Yes.
I think if we use Clorox, it can be used onto the leather part too. But after you have done the process, you need to rinse it with water and let it dry. For manager, I think Ilya can answer it.
Yes, it goes same with the vinegar and also the baking soda. You can use it on many types of shoes. Same goes as Clorox.
I have
Thank you for the answer.
Okay, I have a question. Between these two methods, method 1 and method 2, which one is more preferable? Like, which one is more better for us to use?
Mm, I think the Clorox. Eh, for me, I doesn't want to use the Clorox because it contains a smell and it was also very it's not good to the like the like this area when it touch this area maybe with the black color maybe it will stain this part, so I will not use the Clorox and I will use the vinegar and also the baking soda because it's very easy and you can find it at your home. So yeah.
Actually, what Ilya told us right now is true. Because if we use Clorox, the result we cannot see the result instantly compared to what Ilya used. Because what the material that she used, when you rub it, you can instantly see the result right away. But compared to using Clorox, you need to do it few times, put it like layer by layer, and kind of making a lot of work for us to do.
I have
Does the smell of the vinegar stuck at the shoes?
No, as you can see that I have wiped it with the cloth, so you cannot smell any vinegar at the shoes. Yeah, I have already tried it.
Want to ask?
Hello. You go first, Irfan.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Do we need a specific amount of mixture, or we just mix them roughly or spontaneously?
Okay, so for the vinegar and also the baking soda, we just use 1 spoon of vinegar and also half teaspoon of the baking soda. Yeah, so for the chloro, I'm not sure. You can ask Nafisa. For me, yeah, I do like that because it's already mentioned like that.
Okay. Next, you, Shansiba.
Okay, thank you, Irfan. So I have a question for the method one. So since you guys use vinegar and baking soda, right? So uh, my question is there any effect of the mixture of vinegar and baking soda when it contact with our skin? Is there any harmful effect if you guys try it? Because I think it is a mixture of chemical, right? So what's the effect? Sorry if it's hard question.
It's okay. As far as I have tried, it doesn't give any effect to my skin because when I rub the mixture on the shoes, the mixture will splash on my skin, but there is no harmful effect. Yeah, but I think the Clorox will give any effect to the skin. Any other question?
I have
Okay,
a
so it is
question.
safe lah.
Yes, it is very safe.
So I have a next question. So in the second method, you use Clorox, right? So I think Clorox is like a harmful chemical. So the kids cannot the step is must handle by the adult lah, not by child.
Yes, of course, because yeah, as you say, the Clorox is harmful chemicals, so do it away from kids if possible.
Okay, thank you.
I have a question for Nafisa's method. Like so since like what Shamsibat has said about the harmful effect of the Clorox, the bleaching effect, is it uh, applicable if we try to substitute the Clorox with Vanish? Because I think Vanish also has the effect to remove stain on a shirt, but I want to ask, is it can be used for the shoe?
I'm not really sure about that because I haven't tried with Vanish using Vanish. But if you say the ingredient is the same as Clorox, I think it will give the same effect as Clorox. But you know, Vanish is hard to find at your home. But Clorox, we all have Clorox at our house, right? Vanish, we need to go and buy, unless you use Vanish at home.
Okay, thank you for the information.
What do you think? Will you sell this product? Do you have any plan to sell this product? I think it's amazing for students.
I think make service better than sell. I think make service.
Oh, service. No one want to touch anyone's shoes.
Okay, is there any question? Is there any question from others?
Is there any challenges when you guys were? Is there any challenge when you guys were doing this method?
Oh, for me, it's not challenging at all because we already have baking soda and also the vinegar at home, as we use that to cook, right? So it's not challenging for me. Yeah, and also I think Clorox is not that challenge. I also want to add some opinion where you can, if you don't have a Clorox at home, you can use the toothpaste for whitening the midsole. Yeah, because the toothpaste also best product, one of the best product to whitening the shoes. Yeah, but you need to dry it like for 1 hour, I think. Yeah. So, is there any opinion or question more?
Thank you for the interesting fact.
Like,
I think that's it. I think we can uh, move. Okay, I think we can discuss about. Okay, thank you for the presenter today. For Ilya and Nafisa, I think we can discuss for next presenter, next pair to do the present their DIY project for next week. So, is there any volunteers?
Is there any suggestion?
I think who made a loudspeaker?
Me with
I
Mukmin.
think
Want to
I
use
think it's
loudspeaker.
Samsibar.
I think
Okay, no problem.
so we can proceed with Shamsibar and who?
Saiful Mukmin. Saiful Mukmin.
And Saiful Mu'min. Okay, so you will be the next presenter for next week. Okay, everyone agree,
Okay.
right? We want to
Yeah.
listen to
Yes,
music.
yes,
Yes,
agree.
I have no
Okay.
objection to that decision.
Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you for attending to this discussion. Thank you, everyone, and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum.